Our Hiligaynon word for the day is duroy. Duroy. When we say duroy, that means to walk with bent shoulders as old people, to walk about with a stoop, or to duck, to stoop down, or lower the head. Duroy. Duroy. Let us have the following sample sentences using the Hiligaynon word duroy. Nagaduroy siya nga daw umbok. Nagaduroy siya nga daw umbok. He or she walks about like a quail. Nagaduroy siya nga daw umbok. Duroy ka kay masiot ang dalan. Duroy ka kay masiot ang dalan. Stoop low, for the road is overgrown. Duroy ka kay masiot ang dalan. Duruya ang paglakat mo, kay nagabuyok ang mga sanga sang kahoy. Duruya ang paglakat mo, kay nagabuyok ang mga sanga sang kahoy. Bend down as you walk, for the branches of the tree are hanging down low. Duruya ang paglakat mo, kay nagabuyok ang mga sanga sang kahoy. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, duroy. Duroy. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.